It is time for the coexistence between people and the environment. At times, both these systems threaten each other. It is the duty of the mankind to find that balance in the ecosystems. There are hundreds of varieties of seeds fallen from flora every day. Most of these seeds are decomposed and added to the soil without any economic benefits to the people. Most of these seeds have beautiful colors and are very attractive. By looking at these varieties of seeds, one can imagine how beautifully these seeds could be used to create different jewelries. But who has to put this into practice? Pubudu Kumari is a girl who was able to build her own livelihood within the parameters of biodiversity system without compromising the balance of nature. If the collection of the seeds is carried out without damaging the environment and starts a business, it will not only create a livelihood but also will create a coexistence between them. By starting a business of producing ornamental jewelry using a collection of seeds from the forest, Pubudu Kumari set a value to the nature. These ornamental jewelries are made up of a variety of fine-colored beautiful seeds such as Madatia, Olinda and Doma. Pubudu Kumari has already started exhibiting her products. She has a good response and her products are being sold at a good price. The identification of livelihood activities within the parameters of biodiversity system and engaging in the economic activities that has no harmful effects to the nature would strengthen the bond between mankind and the environment and the coexistence of both.